Australians bought over 100,000 EVs in the first half of this year. But if you live in an apartment building, there's nowhere to plug in. Basements are full of ordinary power points, but Strata keeps them locked because there's no way to meter who's using the electricity. Until now. Volty turns any existing power point into a billable EV charger with zero hardware installed. The app uses the car's own charging telemetry as the meter. Plug in, a session starts. Unplug, Volty works out exactly what it cost, bills the resident automatically, and settles the money straight to the body corporate's account. A building manager creates an account and starts by submitting a merchant application. Once approved by Pinch, they create their sites, set their own rate per kilowatt hour, and draw their charging locations on a map. The site can have multiple charging locations, flexible enough for all sorts of use cases. A caravan park, a university, even an office campus. Then, the manager downloads a pre-filled poster for every PowerPoint in the complex. That's the whole rollout, a PDF and some tape. Drivers download the Volty app and join the building with an invite code. They link their EV with support for more than 80 brands, add a credit card, tokenise straight to Pinch. From then on, it's completely automatic. When the car starts charging, we check it's inside the building's geofence and open a metered session. When it's full or unplugged, we close the session and charge the card on file. Funds settle straight to the body corporate as a Pinch managed merchant, with Volty's application fee taken inside the payment itself. Meanwhile, building and Strata managers see everything in the Volty console. Every session and transaction, every vehicle in the building, every driver who's joined with the invite code, plus payouts straight from Pinch. Every payout opens to show which resident and which session every dollar came from. Important events arrive via email, like a failed payment, with Slack and Teams notifications on the roadmap. And it's also a brand new revenue stream. The building sets the rate and earns a margin on every kilowatt hour from power points it already owns. Over 500,000 Australians already drive an EV, including Pinch's own co-founder, Ben Carl. A huge share of them don't live in a house with a driveway. They live in apartments. Every one of those buildings is a body corporate with exactly this problem, and today, no good answer. Volty takes a small cut of every session billed through Pinch. As EV adoption grows, our revenue grows with it. No hardware rollout slowing us down. Australia has 368,000 Strata schemes. Hardware will never reach them. Volty is an app, a card and Pinch. Built solo in 10 days, a building can switch it on tomorrow.